Welcome again to Lake Louise, fam. Good morning, fam! Prepare na kami ng breakfast and we're ready to go to Dance and Lake Louise. Ayan, fam. So, Sagana hotdog, syempre. Fried egg and High Rivers Tapsilog. High Rivers Tapa. Okay, so good morning and magpe-prepare lang kami, fam. We're heading out soon. Hello, fam, and after 3 hours of preparing, ngayon pa lang kami paalis going to Banff. And so medyo madami pa tayong dadaanan. So magpapagas muna tayo sa ating favorite Costco para ma-amaze si Ate Mars at saka si Erica kung gaano ka mura ang gasolina dito sa Alberta.
Dito na kami magpapagas, magdadrive pabalik Vancouver. Ubos! Kaboy!
Ayan, so after that, bibili kami ng mga goodies and kailangan ng mga mineral water. Tapos, diretso na kami ng Lake Louise muna.
Birthday boy!
Yeah, so birthday. Happy birthday ulit, Ate Mars.
Birthday Brubix!
Alright, fam, so let's go and we'll see you at Costco. Fam, so nandito na naman tayo sa favorite natin na gasoline station. So magkano ate ang nakita nyo na presyo?
169.9.
169. Sa Vancouver, mga 50 cents
sa
usually.
Vancouver,
Mga 210 siguro, ganyan.
220, 230.
Yeah. So ayan fam, antay lang tayo at medyo marami-rami.
Loren. Alright fam, gassing up na tayo. Dapat full tank to para hindi tayo mag-worry ng gasolina while we're in Lake Louise. At ang price, 169.9. So I have my King here with me. Love you. Okay. Alright, fam. So, we'll see you later. Hello! Lac the Arc or Lake. Yan. So picture lang dito fam ng saglit. Tsaka stretching. Quick stretching lang. Ganda oh. Last time kaming may video dito fam, ano siya? Snowy. At saka nagwi-winter pa talaga. So ngayon, approaching summer na tayo. Summer na. Bye, Lake. Bye, Rockies. Okay, fam. So, next stop, diretso na tayo ng Lake Louise. nandito na kami sa Lake Louise. At syempre mga tiga Vancouver.
Yes, hindi pa sanay.
3 degrees pero kailangan daw mag-puff jacket.
Yes. Kasi ngayon, kaya ko pa, pero paano
Yeah,
after
yeah,
15
yeah.
minutes.
Yeah.
Pero kanina may nakita kami naghuhubad. So naka-joggers lang siya. So nainitan siya, tapos tinanggal niya na. Naka-cyclings na lang sila.
Yeah. So fam, we're here at nakabayad na kami sa parking. Pero medyo shocking na yung parking. So last year, si Mami, nung nandito sila ng friend niya, $32 yung parking. Ngayon fam, $42 na. Hala! Yan, so yung mga pupunta ng Lake Louise, kailangan yung mag-budget ng $42, okay? For the parking. Oo nga, baka next year $50 na siya. So, pumunta na kayo, okay? Grabe, mahal.
Kung may
Mahal
panggas
talaga.
kayo papunta dito, may 42 rin kayo. Okay, mag-alala. Wala yan.
Mahal.
Wala yan.
Walking na fam at ayan nga, meron pang mga snow tayo dito sa paligid and may merienda tayong dala. Ayan. Oh, may snow pang Lake Louise, ate! There you go.
Welcome again to Lake Louise fam. So by May pala or I think June, hindi pa siya masyadong blue fam. So iba talaga ang punta pala dito pag around July and August. So dapat ganun talaga yung time na punta dito para super duper blue. Ito. Kasi last time nakuha talaga namin ni na mommy and ni na mama yung super blue ng Lake Louise. But still again, it's very very enjoyable. Iba din yung view niya talaga. Ibang iba. And of course, madaming tao as usual. So quick pan tayo dyan fam. And syempre hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan ang Fairmont Lake Louise Hotel. So napakaganda fam. It's amazing. It's truly amazing.
Ayan na, picture taking tayo pa. There you go. Happy birthday!
And the girls are preparing for a TikTok show. Hindi pwedeng mawala.
Kapitulo. DJ.
Perfect. Since birthday ni Ate Mers, we're gonna greet her a happy birthday dito.
Happy birthday, Tamar!
Happy birthday, Ate Mers.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday
Day to you. Woo, woo. Happy birthday to you. Woo, woo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Make a wish!
Kunwari, babaw na lang. Kunwari.
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Astig, kasi may mga Filipinos din na may birthday. So nakihiram sila ng birthday cake at saka nung champagne. Ayan. Oh naman.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! It's okay, sir. No problem. Birthday. It's okay, it's okay. You can pass through. No problem. Day to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yan. Yan. Woohoo! Picture kami, picture.
Ay, picture na, no? Upload daw nila. Upload din.
Yeah, on
Parang
Tuesday.
dapat ano tayo sa kapila.
Oo nga.
Oo nga, dapat dito. Mali, para may view. Yan, there you go.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Okay.
Ayan fam, so nandito pa rin kami sa Lake Louise at sobrang na-enjoy talaga namin yung lugar. So, yung mga nasa Canada dyan na hindi pa nakakapunta dito sa Alberta, specifically Lake Louise, please visit this place at least once in your lifetime. Kasi sobrang ganda talaga. And I think different talaga ang beauty niya. Depende sa season kung kailan kayo pupunta. But then again, of course, the best would be yung turquoise na color when it's around July, August, September. That would be, for me, the best time to visit. Pero sobrang ganda niya pa rin. Iba yung beauty niya, fam. Kahit na spring. And then pag winter din, fam, ang beauty talaga ng Lake Louise. So, quick pan ulit. Sobrang ganda. May mga polar caps pa doon, or ice caps rather. Sobrang ganda. Again, quick trivia. You could chat GPT this, but yeah, quick history. So this would be one of the lakes then very known sa indigenous people dito, or First Nations. And originally named as Emerald Lake. Whereas we all know, yung Emerald Lake ay na name ay napunta sa British Columbia, which is siguro mga an hour or 30 minutes from here. Emerald Lake na sobrang ganda din. So this was originally named as Emerald Lake, and then na-rename siya using Princess Louise Caroline, Alberta. So the name of Princess Caroline or Princess Louise then ay doon din kinuha ang Alberta na province na pangalan. So, there you go. Quick trivia lang, fam. Relax lang din ang family. Kumakain kami ng cheesecake ngayon with Ate Marce's birthday. So, let's see. Lakad naman tayo, fam. Ito tayo dito sa sign ng Chateau Lake Louise Fairmont. Look at that. Fairmont. Lake Louise. And the birthday celebrant. So fam, we are done. Ayan, nag-enjoy naman ang birthday girl namin dito. Ayan, so nag-enjoy ka rin, Erica?
Yes, sobra. Sobrang ganda, guys. Kailangan niyo
Okay.
Don't
So,
forget to-
again,
Thank you, Lake Louise,
for having
having
me on my birthday.
Thank you, Alba Pam Pam. Don't
Yes.
forget to subscribe, like and subscribe.
So, thank you everyone sa makita niyo. Sobrang ganda dito. And, i-end na namin tong vlog na to. And see you on the next one.